Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you are doing amazing, staying safe, staying active throughout this quarantine. Before we get too deep into this video, I just want to take the time to say thank you guys for supporting, for watching, for subscribing, for sharing, for commenting, for just being a part of the channel. We just officially passed 10,000 lifetime views as a channel, which is crazy to think about. I didn't even notice we were that close. So I just want to take the moment before we get too deep into today's video to say once again, thank each and every one of you for helping, this channel grow, for helping this channel continuous growth, for supporting. The plan is to continue to drop content, continue to drop videos. I do want to announce that we will be doing a $200 East Bay gift card giveaway as soon as we hit 150 subscribers, which we're about 80 away right now. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, notification bells. When I do actually drop the video for that giveaway, you're aware and ready to roll. So once again, man, thank you for all supporting once again. Yeah, let's keep it moving on to the next 10,000. Thank you guys. Speed song.